Good afternoon, folks. It's Brian Paragimian, senior trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you the closing commentary about 40 minutes prior to the market close. We've got the Dow up 142 points, trading right around 8,100. Again, we're back up in this area, challenging these highs. We continue to get rebutted from up against here. I've got an inkling that we're probably going to break through this time here. I just got a funny suspicion. We've gotten through a lot of the bad earnings in a really nice way. You can't help but respect the tape action. We continue to say that up in this 8,050 to 8,150 area, we have a lot of resistance. I think once we start clearing 8,200, 8,400, it's going to be a real target here. 875 on the S&P cash is another target that we have to be aware of. Right now we're trading around 868.5 up and through that 870, 875 area. I think it opens the door up towards 900 on the S&P cash. Again, that will equate to somewhere around the 8,400 area on the Dow. And I've been talking about 8,400 to 9,000 broadly defined. As we get up into that range, I am going to look to lighten up some of my core holdings. It all depends on the tape action. But again, you have to be pleased by the tape action. If you're a bull, if you're a bear, you have to be a little frustrated with the fact that the market continues to hold on. Now, if we get a close above 81.32, that would be another up week for the Dow, which would make it 7 straight weeks. To me, it really doesn't matter. I actually would like to see that, and I actually like to see him stretch it another couple of weeks. I still think the sell in May and go away is going to come to fruition sometime in May. I think we're going to top out, and I think you can't help but want to play that side of the ledger. You've had the bank stocks have had one heck of a run. You've had a heck of a run in the technology stocks. I think the summer months you're going to see some corrective price action, and that's just my opinion. But let's get to the matter at hand here. Going into today, we were long Myriad Genetics, MYGN. We dumped that for another profit up around the 38 area. If you were a member of ours, of course, you would know that. You'd have gotten out an alert sent to you. You'd have seen it here on our live webcast. Again, I'm going to continue to say, go to our website. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. You have got nothing to lose. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised that what we do is fantastic. You obviously come and watch these videos for a reason. And you continue to see me make call after call after call. Some of them you don't see ahead of time, but some of them you do, and that's just the way it is. Now on Friday we talked about being short. Last Friday we talked about being short the OIH heading into the new week. Well, look what happened this past Monday. It got smashed for over 5 points. So you get a flavor for what we're doing. We talked about yesterday we'd want to be a buyer of Amgen into any early morning weakness if we were presented the opportunity. Sure enough, we weren't presented the opportunity, but look what Amgen's doing today. I talked about it being in an area that I thought had a lot of value in the stock. Right now the stock is at $2.59 at $49.41. I think you get the idea. I've been doing this for 26 years. If you're looking to beat Wall Street, go to our site, take advantage of the 3-day free trial. I know you're going to absolutely love it, and you're probably going to make money during that 3-day free trial like most of our other members have. I do want to say that I am not going to be back here until Thursday morning with any more commentary. I am going to be in a remote location, and I simply am not going to have time to do this, so I apologize for that. But again, if you're a member of ours, you would know everything we're doing, and for $10.99 a month for the time being, soon to be $14.99 a month, you cannot find a better service on planet Earth. And in fact, I'll go as far as to say that I'll challenge myself against any other trader because I believe I am that good, and my success over 26 years speaks for itself. Have yourselves a great weekend. We'll see you next Thursday with a pre-open comment.